Hey guys, happy Sunday and welcome to another webinar. If you haven't joined us before, welcome. And in this webinar, we mainly look at financial market and ways we're going to invest and ways that we can properly align ourselves with the financial market. Now, this isn't financial advice. This is primarily for educational purposes only and my personal outlook towards the market. That being said, to know more, you can read the description and there's some other disclaimers in there for you. All right, so what we tend to do in this session is we tend to look at three indicators basically. And indicator one is COT, indicator two is seasonality, indicator three is probability. Now, COT stands for Commitment of Traders Report, which is a report released by the CFTC, by United States government, and it's released every week. And primarily, this is used for looking at where certain individuals or certain institutions are positioned in the market, and we tend to follow that. Now, seasonality is basically the seasons of the market. So there's Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Market behaves differently in each season, and we tend to want to know what season we're in and how it's behaving, right? Is it meant to go up? Is it meant to come down? Things like that. Then thirdly, we have probability, which is an inline design tool, and it's not primarily ours. We got the idea from a book and we redesigned it. Now, from the probability tool, it's basically a kind of like casino way of looking at the market, which is it shows you what's most likely going to happen in the market in terms of percentages, right? So first things first, let's look at a COT report. So I tend to be shifting more towards indices now because indices is more stable and it gives me more time and allows the EA to do its work more effectively because it doesn't have to do too much, just have to focus on a specific direction in most cases and just take it out. Now, people that don't understand what an EA is, it's an expert advisor on MT4, and we utilize this to auto trade the market. I personally use it, and there's a version of the website that helps you set your take profit and stop loss, and by you using the ATR ratio. Now, if you're new to this, you absolutely have no clue what I'm talking about. When I'm talking about ATR, maybe EAs, you have no clue about it. It's okay. You can go through the channel and watch some of the other videos to get up to speed. So COT report, let's just start with go. Let's see what's available. Now, for the guys that are new, we look at commercials and we look at the changes for the commercials, right? If if one is green, if one is red, basically. If one is green, that's up. If one is red, when it's down. If both of them are red, you don't want to touch that, but you need one green, one red. And long means up, short means down. Okay, so for that one, we'll let it go. Now, even though we're looking at one green, one red kind of scenario, this is two greens, so you let it go. We also look at the terms of volume. If the volume is big enough, right? We only focus on commercials. Commercials are people that they're not really making money off the market. They're edging themselves against the market. So these are guys like, let's say this Japanese yen, for example. If I wanted to buy something in Japan, for example, and I'm a big multinational company, in Nigeria or in UK, for example, what's going to happen is I need Japanese yen, right? So I want to say, okay, if I want to buy this stuff in a month's time from now, I'm looking at the market. Where do I think the price is going to be in a month's time? Is it going to be higher than where it is or lower? If it's going to be higher, then I buy it now, saying that, look, okay, I know that in a month's time, most likely, if it's higher, I've secured my position right now. You just exchange your cash for money whenever you need it, your positions for money whenever you need it, that kind of stuff. All right, so JPY, we check Euro, same thing. Yeah, USD is pointing down. It's not a big percentage, but it's a significant amount of percentage. So on the commercial side, we can see USD pointing down. And what we can now do is we can go into the seasonality and check if the USD seasonality is in fact also pointing down. This is what seasonality looks like, right? So we have the 5 years, 15, and 38 years. And those are the average price movement in the past 38 years combined, right? So what tends to happen is we want all three of these to align, like let's say somewhere around here. When they align for a long move like this, it's a very long move. I'm not saying long in terms of going up, but long move like it takes maybe 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks to complete. Those are the sweet ones. If you have where they're not aligned or where it's consolidating, you don't want to take that. Like somewhere around here is aligned for the top, but it's going to be consolidating. So this one's going to be slightly iffy. Right, but ultimately, you don't want it when they're not in the same direction. You want to take it only when they're in the same direction. Okay, so let's look at the current date. Today is the 2nd of June, right? Just zooming in. So we're here. And we're expecting USD to go short. From what we're seeing here, the 5 years is showing short. That's going to go down for a little while. Even the 15 years is showing short, but it's showing that's going to go up for a while. And by the time they get here, that all of them are in alignment of going down together, it's too late. You only have 1 or 2 days left in that move. We don't take 2 days moves because it's not a really good guarantee. The probability of that going wrong is high. So we keep that out of the place, right? Let's switch a little bit. Let's check indices. Let's check. Long short. And I would say it's okay. Some weeks you don't get good alignments, you let it go, right? This is NASDAQ, but this is NASDAQ mini. I don't want NASDAQ mini. I want the real NASDAQ. So basically, this is what the raw COT report looks like. This is a more processed version, easier for the eyes to look at. This one right here is the raw version. You know, sometimes they carry different information, so keep that in mind. All right, I'm looking at NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ consolidated. I'm not looking at the mini. The one they have there is the mini. I'm looking at this. This compiles of more of their positions of everything together rather than just the mini. But it's you can use whichever one you like, to be honest. Yeah, it's not aligned. They're both going long here. They're going long here. So NASDAQ is not aligned neither. Let's see Dow Jones. Yeah, it's not aligned. Yeah. There are other assets we can look at. There are other indices we can look at, but most of it isn't looking aligned this week. So you're gonna have to let the market rest. Go do something else with your time. Maybe use this time to build your own personal EA, or you can go on the educational videos, watch some of the videos there. There might be other assets that are in alignment. I mean, we didn't look at all the indices seasonality COT report. We didn't look at Nikkei, for example. We didn't look at the UK 100. So if you look at those and find whichever one aligns best for you, just take your trade and make sure you trade effectively in terms of having a good stop loss, good take profit. The ATR is the best option for us, my personal opinion, right? We have tested it on EAs right here for a very long period of time, and it looks very good. So, and it looks very good automated. I mean, I have an automated version right now, and it looks super good. So that's all I have for you guys on this one. There isn't that much to get at, but it is what it is. So if you have any questions, drop it in the chat room. We're gonna talk in the chat room. For guys that don't know about the chat room, go into the description. There's a link directly to the chat room there, and you can join us there if you have questions. Or if you want the tool, you have to go to business.dameempire.co.uk. Link is in the description as well. All right, guys, stay dangerous. Godspeed, and catch you in the next one.